I hope as you're watching this that you and your family and your teens are healthy and coping with this current situation. I know many of us are living and working through very changed circumstances at the moment, so we're either working from home or we're furloughed, and I know that for some people there's no work at all right now. And all of us at Dale Carnegie just want to do whatever we can to help. For sure, this situation has been one roller coaster of emotions, and I know that anxiety and stress and worry is just through the roof right now. So I'm sure you're probably familiar with Dale Carnegie's all-time best-selling book, How to Win Friends and Influence People. But did you know he wrote another great book called How to Stop Worrying and Start Living? And that book is full of tips and techniques and principles for dealing with worry and pressure. So it's absolutely ideal for right now. All the principles that are in that book are in this Dale Carnegie's Golden Book, which can be downloaded for free from our website. And within it there are a couple which for me right now are proving really helpful in this current situation created by the pandemic. The first of those is live in day-tight compartments. So in other words, stop worrying about what's already happened. Don't worry about what was on the news last night. And try to stop your mind going further ahead to what might be coming down the line at us. Don't speculate about what the future might bring. Just focus on being the best that we can be today. And by doing our best today, we're ready for whatever the future is going to bring for us. The second principle is cooperate with the inevitable. So there's so much going on in the world right now that we honestly wish wasn't, but there's nothing we can do about it. And this principle is really all about just accepting those things and work instead on what we can control. So much is out of our control. Let's work on what we can do. And right now that's probably about what we can take responsibility for to keep ourselves and others safe and secure around us. So download the Golden Book, enjoy the free tips.